This is Jeff with Diversified Energy. Nice big house, Metairie. What we're doing is giving it a 5-6 inch foam along the roof line, encapsulating all the rafters. This is the way it should look, period. If anybody else is not quoting this way, you're not quoting it right. So, why are we putting up this wall right here? This is just a felt paper wall. Behind here, Nestle? Yeah. This is Nestle right here behind us. All right, he's creating this wall right now. Why are we creating a wall? This is an overhang. The whole entire thing here is a porch, probably 40 feet wide, hanging over 10 feet or so. A lot of times we create with a felt paper. Other products can be used, but this is the one that sticks the best, right? Felt paper?
Yeah, it's got a fibrous material.
Fibrous material. So it sticks easily to it, and it can handle the heat. Some builders like to put up plywood. That's perfectly fine too. Now you're going to get a carpenter involved, additional expense, but this is what we typically do. So a lot of people want to go all the way out the roof line with the foam, hit the eave of the overhang, and then wrap the foam back around, hit the top plate down here, so you have, it's part of the encapsulation of the attic, right? But you typically create a little more square footage that way, because now you're going down that 10, 20 feet of the back porch, whatever it is, and then you got to wrap around on the top of the porch there, the ceiling of the porch, before you hit this. You can add a lot more square footage. Square footage equals price, obviously. So in cases like that, some people decide, hey, we just want to put up felt paper wall, save a little bit on the square footage price, or they just, even if it has nothing to do with price, they just prefer it this way, to be honest. It just depends on you, the builder. Communicate this with the homeowner, because what we've had in the past is we go out and start doing one thing, and then the builder or homeowner says, wait, I didn't want it like this, I didn't want it like this. So we always communicate to you, which way do you want it, and then we'll price it accordingly. A lot of people's argument why they don't want this wall is because you'll have recessed lighting in your porch outside, or front porch, whatever the case might be. You have recessed lighting down there. And an argument from a homeowner sometimes is, well, hey, if something happens to the light, we want to be able to access it from the attic. Well, if the light bulb's out, you obviously take care of it from outside. You screw one out, you screw another in, not a big deal. If something's happening with the electricity going to that, it's typically not happening. That's not the source of it. You follow the wire somewhere else to the source of it. But people just have a comfortable feeling, hey, we want to be able to see that recessed light out there. That's fine. We're cool with that. And in that case, we will go all the way down that roof line, wrap back around on the ceiling floor, and right to the top plate, and we have a seal that way. Whatever you want to do. It's just about the communication ahead of time. It's your call. We're fine either way. We're just giving you the down and dirty facts about it.